In this video, I will be showing you how to change your profile picture on Discord Mobile. First, you need to launch your Discord application. Go to your profile. If you don't know yet the one with your picture, and then kindly click user profile. And then as you can see, there is a pencil icon here. Click that one and then click change avatar. Then once you click change avatar, it will go directly to your photos. And then select the best picture for your Discord. For example, this one, all you have to do is to click and then drag, adjust the picture. And then once done, click check. And then if you wanted to add something on about me, you can add any like, hello friends, something like that. It's like a welcome message. Once done, click save. And then as you can see here, your profile picture has already changed. So this is what it looks like. Now when you click this one, you can see that you have a new profile picture. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.